Hello, I'm Judith Ravin, Consul General at the U.S. Consulate General in Chennai. It is my pleasure to invite you to join our delegation to the Select USA Investment Summit this June in Washington, D.C. The Select USA Investment Summit is dedicated to supporting foreign investors looking to expand into the United States, the largest recipient of foreign direct investment in the world. Over 400 Indian investors have participated in the summit over the years, and we look forward to seeing you there this year. This year's summit is your opportunity to make the right contacts and hold discussions with state-level economic development organizations to design your investment strategy and plan. The United States is the largest consumer market in the world and the obvious choice for any Indian company looking to grow globally. With an annual gross domestic product of $20 trillion and a population of more than 325 million, the United States offers unmatched diversity, a thriving culture of innovation, a business-friendly environment, and access to the latest technologies to keep your business globally competitive. The United States has attracted billions of dollars of Indian investment, $12.7 billion in 2020 alone. We are seeing growing interest and investments from companies based in Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and Kerala, especially in sectors such as information technology, automotive, logistics and warehousing, chemicals, processed and packaged foods, and textiles. Ongoing global supply chain challenges have also prompted traditionally export-oriented companies to revisit their U.S. market strategy by opening offices and plants closer to their U.S. customers. The Select USA Investment Summit will be held from June 26th to 29th at the Gaylord National Resort and Convention Center in National Harbor, just outside of Washington, D.C. Please use the link on the screen to register or write to the email address below to learn more. Thank you, and I look forward to welcoming you as a member of the India delegation to the 2022 Select USA Investment Summit.